What's up? Welcome to the Not So Handyman Show. My name is Jordan Hauser. As you can tell by the name of the show, I'm not the handiest guy around. Today, we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Ryobi 6-inch bench grinder. So let's go ahead. We're going to open this thing up. We're going to bring out all these parts, assemble it, and test it out. We'll see how it works out. So we got the box open. We're going to go ahead, take out all these parts, see what they are. We got batteries, and we got a bunch of other parts that I have no idea what the hell they are. Here's a guard. These go right above the wheels so sparks don't go flying in your face. Here's the grinder itself. Heavy, pretty heavy. No instructions. I guess this is all gonna be pretty self-explanatory. It's a good thing that I'm making a video, because if you don't understand it, you can just watch me fuck around until I figure it out. There's not many pieces to this thing, so let's go ahead and just start putting the thing together. There's one of the guards. Oh, that's cool. They got like a little magnifying glass. And this one does not have a magnifying glass, so I'm just gonna check out the box. On here it says that the magnifying goes on the rough wheel, so we're gonna put that on the 32 grit wheel. Simple enough. So we have two LED lights. They go right over top of the wheel so you can see what you're doing. So first thing you're gonna do is take the screw and this plastic wing nut out of the LED fixture there, and we're gonna go ahead and take our guard. I'm gonna put the wing nut on the outside. Let me reference the box. I'm gonna check out the box. All right, well, fuck me. The wing nut goes on the inside. So if you guys can see that right there, these two screw holes, that looks to be where we're going to attach our LED light. I've got a lot of Ryobi tools. They're nice tools, especially for like a guy like me. I mean, the name of the channel is The Not So Handyman. No, I'm not gonna go out and spend a whole shitload of money on like DeWalt tools or Snap-on tools or something like that. I just need to get some shit done around the house. Ryobi is pretty awesome. They have some like really nice tools. Everything mainly is like battery powered. This episode is not brought to you by Ryobi tools. They're probably like, man, this guy's going to kill himself with our products. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're going to attach the guard. All right, we got one on. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take this plastic wing nut up. Fuck. Found it. I'm gonna attach the wing nut back on here again. This is what it looks like now. All right, we got our guards on there. Go ahead and we're gonna put our tool guards on. Looks like knobs on the inside. So that's what we're doing. If you can see that right there, that's all we did. We just attached this little guy right there. We're just gonna do the same thing to the other side. So right up top, that's where the batteries go in. All right, sweet, it works. Now, basically, all we have to do is just mount this thing to the tool bench, and we're in business, as they say. All right, it works. It's plugged in, it's running, it's slowing down right now. Let's just find something to grind. I don't know. So we're gonna test this thing, we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna sharpen a pencil. Well, we sharpened a pencil. Obviously, I need some work on. I need to do some work on my grinding skills. But there it is, the Ryobi 6-inch bench grinder, out of the box, fully assembled on the workbench. The reason I bought this bench grinder is for the next episode, where we are going to be making steak knives out of butter knives. Hopefully it works out. If it doesn't work out, then I just wasted $45 on that and a couple bucks on some old butter knives. But I'm just a regular dude who doesn't know how to do shit, and I'm just trying to fucking stumble my way through it all. But if you guys enjoy this channel, get down there, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.